Hello there, so you would like to make a paper map object for Victoria 3. First of all, you need Blender. Then you also need the PDX Blender tools that you can download online. Now, if I make a 3D map table object, I usually search for an already existing vanilla asset. So what I do is I delete everything here and load a mesh. Okay. So here is the Victoria 3 game folder that you, by the way, can access by just right-clicking on Victoria 3, Properties, Installed Files, Browse, and it will open and you can copy this path and put it in here. Then for map table objects, you go to Game, and if you want coins, you usually have to go to DLC folder. I will go to the Voice of the People folder, into GFX, Models, Paper Map, and here I find the French coin. Now let's import it. As you can see, this is the coin. It is very simple. As you can see, there is also this shadow catcher. This is very important. Now let's make our own coin. I usually do that by pressing Shift A and adding a mesh, which is a cylinder. Then you can go down here to add cylinder, and you have to make sure that it's a triangle fan and not an end gun, because the game can only handle triangles and quads, so squares or rectangles. Okay, here you could change the vertices, the radius, and so on. We just ignore that for now. And instead I will kind of try to make the same size of coin, maybe a little thinner or maybe a little smaller. Okay, that's it. You delete the old coin, and then one very important thing is that you add a material to this coin that you already have. So you click on material, and then you can click on Browse if you imported an original asset, and you take the French coin shape, for example. And now I usually rename those, like the first one would be coin, the second one would be coin shape, and the third one would then be PDX mat coin shape. And obviously you name it with your prefix and everything. Okay. So basically this is everything you need to do before you could start texturing. Sometimes you want to make a higher poly version of this coin to get better textures, but this would really be enough for you.